Hello friends, today we are going to talk about something different. It is about conservation agriculture. You can see this experiment where conservation agriculture experiments on tillage, crop residues and cropping systems are going on. And you can see the conservation agriculture is based on three principles. One is minimum soil disturbance. You can see that the soil is less disturbed here. That means we are not taking any tillage operations here. That means we are reducing our tillage operations to mere no-till seed drill. And you can see the three basic principles of conservation agriculture is followed here. And the first one is your minimum soil disturbance. That means we are using no tillage or minimum tillage operations, and we are using seeding by no-till seed drill. And second is your permanent residues cover. You can see the residues cover. This is the you can see this is the maize stalk, and this is the wheat straw from the previous season. It is still lying here. And the third principle is the crop diversification, or crop, you can see this is you can have different types of cropping systems or crop rotations where you can add legumes, cereals and crops having different rooting depths, so that they are different levels of organic matter as well as the addition of organic matter at different depths. So this is altogether a beautiful experiment. You can see in this experiment we still have all those residues lying on the surface, and this gives a beautiful texture to the soil. And you can see the earthworm crust. This is the earthworm crust from the experiment, and I can little bit disturb it so that you can see the earthworm crust here, and still plenty of crust formation, and this gives a beautiful texture to the soil. So in this experiment we are trying to find out even the moisture content at different depths, and you have this access tube which we have used TDR to take observations. And this experiment gives a beautiful things about improvement in soil quality. Usually conservation agriculture, because of lot of addition of crop residues as well as minimum soil disturbance, the organic matter content improves considerably. And in this experiment also moisture content, you can see because of this type of residue addition, we have seen the considerable improvement in the soil moisture content, and it gives enough moisture, and it retains moisture larger than the conventional till plots. And this helps in supplying water during the drought period. So friends, this is just one experiment to show you that how conservation tillage or conservation agriculture is followed, and we are following, and we hope this experiment will definitely give some insight into carbon dynamics and carbon sequestrations, and as well as nutrient dynamics and improvement in soil quality as well as crop yield. So thank you very much. Have a great day.